The last element that hasn't received appropriate color is the horizontal rule. Let's address it. Since the horizontal rule is a HTML element, we can also style it with CSS directly. By default, the horizontal rule looks gray. It is actually white with a black border that looks like a shadow. Switch to split view and on the code side, open the external style sheet. Make sure the insertion point is flashing after heading 2. Remember, hierarchy is important. It needs to be located before the classes. Type in HR, brace. From the drop-down suggestions, choose color and type in the hexadecimal color value. Remember the pound sign in the beginning. Follow it by a semicolon. Hit Enter on your keyboard so you can begin a new line. Choose background color from the drop-down and type in the same color value again. This is just something unique to the horizontal rule. Hit Enter again and on the new line type in height and 2 pixels. You need to specify the size of the horizontal rule. And lastly, we want to remove the default border. Type in border and choose none. Remember to end off with the closing brace. Let's switch to design view to see what the new horizontal rule looks like. Ah, that's great.